Okay, so favorite pastime of mine is shorting AMC, and I'm shorting it. So looks like we've been kind of going nowhere for a while, and we're possibly heading down a bit now, getting behind under some of the markers. So I shorted 100 at 14.54, 22 cents up. Yeah, we'll see what happens. At this point, I'm trying to get 10 cents out of it. It's per share. So if I can get down to a 14.47, that would be great. And then I would just get out of it. So let's see what happens. And 54, 52, 53. It's going up again. Kind of fiddling around here. And it doesn't have a lot of movement. AMC usually has a lot of movement, but even during the daytime. But right now it's a little bit flat and boring. So I'm up $4.99. 54. I think it's probably going to go up again. It's just too fiddly right now. It's not really doing much. $3. So, oh, maybe not. Okay, 50. That's good. Getting down to 50. Come on, use 6 more cents. Or no, 3 more cents. 51, 52. There we go. Well, it does seem to actually be trending down a bit. Okay. 50. 3 more cents, guys. Come on. 48. 49. Probably should have taken that, huh? Okay. I'm going to go ahead and take that. Okay, well, I got about $7 out of that, so. I know it's not as exciting as somebody who's trading with 5,000 shares of real money and making thousands of dollars per trade. But, you know, that's not what this is about. This is about learning. So I kind of just wanted to practice a little bit doing a live cast of trading, even though it's, simulated trading. And just kind of show what I'm up to. So I'm just going to call it good for there. Thanks for watching.